Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Hey, we about to get into this pink sauce on this Popeyes chicken Lego. I've heard so many things about this sauce and I found it in Walmart. So your girl about to try it out, okay? I'm about to try it out. I'm super geek right now. I hope it's good. Let's take it. Let's get started. Okay, the girl had a little Casa go. Cheers. All right. Let's get into these potatoes first, y'all. Now for the chicken. It smells like ranch and I don't know. Let's see what the hype is about. That's a lot. Here we go. Hold on, y'all. One more bite. Let me see. Call me crazy, but that's good. It's heck of good. I know everybody got different taste buds, but it's good. It's like I don't know. It tastes ranch. It's different. It's very, very different. It does taste like some kind of salad dressing is in it. But it's good. Go cop your pink sauce at Walmart. I think we'll like buy $7.99. It's good. It's bomb. Go girl. She did it. Peace out.